Alright, guys, break one. Jesus. Break 178 NFC teams. Fuck.
My bad.
Dice roll, fiver grader. 7 again. Jesus, it's been 7s all night. Last roll. Giants on top. Eagles on the bottom. Alright.
So the Rams, their dream season comes to an end, but this is too good of a team not to wind up as contenders for a long time. You would think. Brilliant young coach, quarterback, even though tonight was not their night. And Atlanta, the defense, they were all about offense last year. Now they're pretty much about defense.
Yeah, we talked about it.
All these memes all over.
You want to do a baseball break?
For all those years in Cincinnati, and they
$18.
What is it, for bats?
No, it's cards.
No.
What?
Baseball's gay.
Baseball's awesome, bro.
7 in postseason play. Congratulate Matthews before they head back to the locker room. So the final score is 26-13. He led the Falcons over the Los Angeles Rams. Coming up next is Volkswagen postgame report.
He took number 5. I'm gonna just close it. Fuck it, I got one spot, it's $18. Now you can pay for me.
Power up your presence with Mediacom Internet. With speeds from 100 meg to up to 1 gig, you'll get the most out of your new tech toys. Call right now and get internet service for seamless streaming, unbeatable gaming, in-home Wi-Fi. Want even more?
Dude, look at this guy.
TV and TiVo and stream live TV on every screen in your home. Also, ask about our new Extreme
I don't remember what division.
Alright, guys. Break 178. AFC. Ravens on top. Titans on the bottom. Fiver grader. 7 again.
Just sip that, dude. I couldn't drink my entire one.
Says the guy that's sitting there vaping and drinking. And the guy was over here having to fucking randomize everything.
I'm having a great time, dude.
Last round. Jets on the top. Bills on the bottom. Good luck, guys.